Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. My name is Anna and you're on cheesykrafts channel. um, Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing a tag video, and I know if you're like my crafty friend and you've been here for more than a week, 2 months, you know I have a thing for using scraps and brand strips and making stuff out of it. We've already made a scrapbook page. We've already made a mixed media art journal page. We've already made, what else? I feel like we've done a few, maybe one more. Yeah, we did another page in the 4x6 mini album. So I use this a lot, okay? And I want you guys to try it. I want you to try it because I think you guys are gonna love it. And it's so simple. All you have to do is save your scraps, save the brand strips, and then just throw them in a Ziploc bag. If you don't have like the mesh bags that you could get from Michael's, grab a gallon size Ziploc bag and just throw all your long and skinny scraps and also your brand strips in there. And then I want you to take them out whenever you're ready to play down, sit down, have some crafty time. And I want you to separate them by color groups to see which ones go well together, or maybe if you prefer to do like deep rich colors versus pastel colors, you get to choose. Just divide the groups by colors, and then start putting things together. In this video, I am going to show you how the scraps can make a gorgeous tag. These tags that I used for the base were from the Paper Studio. I bought them at Hobby Lobby when they were 50% off. And I've been decluttering the heck out of my craft storage area, which is just my garage, really. And I found these in the package, and I was like, you know what? I've been saying I want to do some birthday cards. Not birthday cards, birthday tags, and make them a gift for the birthday person or whatever. And I was like, well, you know what? I still have a ton of these soft pastel scraps, and I'm trying to get rid of. But not only that, like I also thought, and I'm gonna be creating a few of these off camera. You guys will see the picture at the end of the video. I ended up making a few because I thought that this is another pretty decorative piece that can be added to the scrap therapy book. And if you leave it decorated on the front and leave it blank on the back, it's perfect for journaling, to document your thoughts, or how you felt about making this crafty idea and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. I am actually going to make these into a gift. I'm going to show you that in a little bit, but I have already done the basic, guys. I separated the strips that blended well together, and like I told you, I still had a ton of scraps left over, and so I glued them down. I have layered them the way I want to, or kind of put them side by side the way I want to. I am going to make my hole, and then the tags came with this gold reinforcer already, so I'm just putting it back in place, and I am going to distress the edges of the tag. And you guys saw I ended up just fussy cutting all the strips off that were hanging off the tag. Really simple. I actually kind of love that. Recently the hubby bought me the crayons for Mother's Day, and so I am going to be using like a yellow green, And I am going to be bringing over a doily that I end up cutting too much. So cutting a 3-inch doily down the center, in my opinion, didn't do its justice because it was too far off. So you needed just to go a little bit over to cover over half of the tag. So I'm going to bring a second one, and I am going to cut maybe like at the 1/4 mark. Again, just kind of see what you guys like, play with it. I promise you, I think you will like this idea because you can make so many things with your scraps of paper. And like, I'm trying to give you the ideas, like, hey, you could do this, you could do an art journal page, you could do a tag, and look how pretty they look. And I just want you guys to use your scraps and don't waste them, and see the pretty projects that you could come out with. So I'm going to go around. I'm not using water. I'm just going to use the friction of my finger to create this shadowy effect, which is, again, it's almost like a yellow greenish crayon. I think the name is actually yellow green or green yellow. So now that I went around the edges, I'm going to bring in a little bit of the color in between the paper strips. This is a good idea for those brand strips also. Like, if you don't want to use your scraps, it's a perfect way to use your brand, just your brand strips also. I hope you guys try it. So I'm going to put this away, and then I am going to be bringing over my green ephemera, which I store in plastic containers. You guys have seen these before. I think I did a video a long time ago about how you store your ephemera, or by color, if that makes sense. So I have a little container that keeps all my words, and I am going to use the one that says lovely. And I think now I am going to go and grab the green one. Still messing with some words. Like I said, I ended up making a few of these tags. I'm definitely going to include one in the scrap therapy books for Susan, and for Do What Makes You Happy, which is right now here on YouTube. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but you guys will always find her commenting in the comments and whatnot. So yeah, so one is for her. And I've pulled up these gorgeous stickers, you guys. I don't even know where I got them from, but this green on this butterfly is absolutely gorgeous. It's almost like it just pops at you, like, here are my colors, love me for who I am. So, and I was like, yes ma'am, I will. Like, she is just so gorgeous, and I love the vibrant colors. The black and the green of her wings are just absolutely beautiful. And I honestly don't remember where I got these from. And it was obviously a sticker packet, because there is other butterflies, but nothing like her. And I want to say, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look to see if they were through Amazon or if they were through Etsy, or I'll try to figure it out. But the package, I can't talk, but the package only came with 2 of each style of butterfly. So I was kind of hoping that I had some more, but I don't. And I actually wish they could just sell her by herself, because I would totally restock it. But yeah, she's gorgeous. Anyway, I am going to add some more liquid glue to the title of our tag, which is lovely. And then I'm going to be bringing dots, enamel dots, and I'm going to add that as embellishments. This ribbon I picked up from Joann's, and it's a velvet ribbon. It's really gorgeous. And again, I ended up picking up the soft pink, but I also picked up a pastel yellow. So gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. Like I said, I picked them up from Joann's, and they were very inexpensive, just a few dollars for the roll. I'm gonna um, put the ribbon through, and honestly, you guys, I'm being so stingy, and the reason why I'm being so stingy is because this ribbon is freaking gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do a really small hang out there, and now I'm gonna steal the thread from that other tag, and I am going to tie it around, tie a bow as best as I can because I suck at these too. So just kind of mess with that, and then I am going to flip my tag over, and I'm going to be creating the pocket for the gift card. Now remember, if you want to use it as a journaling card, by all means stop right here, but I wanted to create some tags that had a pocket in the back so that I could put a gift card in the back of it. And I've already skipped through all the process because there's nothing to it, you guys. I just cut a 2.5 inch paper, created the pockets, used scrap paper to cover it, and then that second tag that you guys see here is what's supposed to resemble the gift card. So once I get the gift card, I'm gonna slide it in there, but the tag's not actually gonna be there. And then I'm gonna finish the project by writing the words to, because this is a gift. And this stamp set is from Cartabella, and that is going to complete our tag, you guys. I ended up fussy cutting a butterfly on the back, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.